All right, can you read this one?
A trip to Australia.
Australia again.
Australia.
A trip to Australia. 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
Here is a photo of Nolia with her dear friend Lydia.
Very good. Here is a photo of Nolia with her dear friend Lydia. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
Last year, Nolia went to visit Lydia in Australia.
Very good. Last year, Nolia went to visit Lydia in Australia. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this?
Nolia had so much fun in Australia.
Nolia had so much fun in Australia. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this?
Lydia's home was near here.
Lydia's home was near a pier. And
Lydia,
very good. Another 2 boxes for you. Okay, next one.
every morning, Nolia would sit by the pier.
Every morning, Nolia would sit by the pier. Another 2 boxes. Okay, next, can you read this?
She could hear seagulls screaming in the clear skies.
She could hear seagulls screaming in the clear skies. Another 2 boxes for you. Okay, you've crossed the finish line.